All right, so this is the rest of the video. If you came from a reel, if you didn't come from a reel, I'll put the link to the reel inside of the description as well, so that it all makes sense. So basically, to recap from the reel, you're going to need your envelope. You want to put your date in the month and the year on the envelope. Then you're going to have all your receipts when you do this at the end of the month. And then now go into the Excel spreadsheet. So you're going to be able to see like close up instead of like on the real. So I'll share my screen uh, right now. Let's see if it'll there you go. Just a Excel spreadsheet. All right, so just want to see what you see as well. Um, so as you see, I have all of my expenses at the bottom, like listed. So each month, what we're doing is we're adding up all the receipts. So like I said, gas, staple it, like so. This one is gas. This one is gas, and we just categorize them. So now what's going to happen is at the end of the month, we're going to equal sum, equal sum. So I'll demonstrate it. Equals sum, parentheses, and we're going to go to the top, and we're going to highlight the whole cell, the whole column, so that it'll populate a number. And then we're going to close parentheses and it's going to populate a number. So what that does, equal sum, is how you add inside of Excel spreadsheet. So now we're also going to do the columns for the total. So this is going to help you add up everything. This is going to help you add up everything in the total for each month. So if that one is here, same thing, equal sum, the whole cell, then you put it here. And then you also want to do the average. So you're going to equals average the whole thing and press the enter, parentheses, the whole cell, close parentheses, and it's going to populate your average. So now, why are we doing this? If you have a job, you want to see how much money each month you're spending, as well as you want to know how much money you need to you also want to know how much money you are making within your job to upstand your lifestyle. So now when that happens is you're going to see, all right, well, for example, with this one, I'll bring it back up. This is 2022. In 2022, I spent almost $40,000 in the whole year. So that's going to say, all right, well, if I spent $40,000, when you get your income tax, you'll see, oh, but I only made 37. Where is this extra money coming from? Or what am I doing to make extra money? As well as when you go into business, this is a process that you'll have to go through. So you'll have to keep your receipts for 7 years, um, just in case you get audited, as well as when you're starting to create a business, um, your accounting or your bookkeeper will also recommend that you do this. Why? Because it's important to keep your records and to see how much money is coming in and how much money is going out. So this is a part of accounting and bookkeeping. Um, when that happens as well, now you can see, all right, if I'm making $20,000, but I spent 39,000, all right, where's that extra money coming from? And what do I need to put in place so that I can withstand this lifestyle? Why? Because you don't want to be making $27,000 and then all of a sudden that income source that you had that got you up to 39,000 that you spent, you don't know where it came from. So it's important that you know where your information is coming from, where your money is coming from, as well as where the money is spent. So with that being said, guys, if you found this valuable, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope that you adopt this so that you can start to take control of your finances. And I'll see you at the top.